Welcome to Freedom. My name's Kate and I'm Freedom's Head of Design, and I'm proud to present our exclusive Freedom mattress range. We really enjoyed designing this range, which is inspired by our amazing Australian and New Zealand landscapes. Our inspiration for the Stratus design came from the tranquility and beauty of our forests. The design is complemented with Warwick fabric on the sides and matching base, flecked piping, handles and embroidered logo.
The Stratus is available in 3 feels: firm, medium and plush, to cater for all personal preferences, providing superior comfort for your sleep sanctuary. The mattress starts with a soft-to-touch viscose and stretch knit fabric that is combined with Australian wool fibres for better breathability and comfort throughout the year. Premium Australian-made foams conform to your body and provide pressure relief to reduce the need to toss and turn for a better night's sleep. These foams are also GECA certified and treated with HealthGuard, which means they are healthier, more sustainable and better for the environment. While you sleep, hundreds of springs provide all-night support. These clever springs sit in individual pockets, known as pocket springs, which move independently to reduce motion transfer within the mattress. This means if you have a partner who moves around a lot or sometimes comes to bed at different times, there will be less partner disturbance, assisting in a more undisturbed night's sleep. Running from the head to the foot of the mattress, these springs are arranged over 5 zones with different levels of firmness, designed to support different parts of your body. The mattress also has a full foam edge which goes all the way around the mattress. This allows you to maximise the entire mattress's surface, catering to more sleeping positions without feeling like you are rolling out of bed.
Handcrafted in Australia, Freedom's mattress range is uniquely beautiful and luxurious, both inside and out, designed so that everyone can create their own sanctuary for a perfect night's sleep.